Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the fisheye effects on Picsart tutorial. So here I've already opened the Picsart apps and I'm gonna choose a picture to add the fisheye effects. Click on the plus icon and then here I'm going to just use a free picture from Picsart. Okay, I'm going to find the picture first. Okay, I will try to edit this one right here. So this is the picture. I'm going to crop it first into square like this, and then click on a check icon, and then after that you can just go to effects to find the fish eye. Okay, so in this effect, just find the artistics category and then find fish eye. Okay, so this one's right here. So you can adjust the where you want to put the fish eye like this, and you can also adjust the radius by clicking on the effects. Here you can see, for example, I want to just use this one, and you can also choose whether you want to darken, lighten, screen, overlay, or others. I'm going to just choose normal, and I'm going to go like that, and then click on the check icon when you're done. So that's it. That is how you can add a fisheye effect in Picsart. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.